Hello, welcome to Angular Step by Step course. Today we will discuss about the NG class attribute directives. Before classes, we have discussed about the structural directives completely. After that, I have started attribute directives. In attribute directives, divided into two types: NG class and NG style. I have explained NG style in detail in previous class. I'm starting NG class directive now. So coming to this ng class directive changes the behavior and logic of an element and adds functionalities and UI logic, but it doesn't uh, manipulate the DOM. So here ng class directive allows you to add the CSS classes to the element. If you want to pass more than one class names, it should be array. So let's get started with an example. You can better understand another list, and after that in another list I am taking list. So here start I'm giving div. So here first of all I'm taking one marks array. In marks array I'm giving uh, 10 numbers, not taking any, right? 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Okay. So I'm taking this array, and after that I want to render the all the elements in this. So I'm giving ng4 here for rendering. Here let mark of marks. So here I'm giving this marks. You can see here. Uh, you can see here it's rendering marks. Oh, sorry, actually we should render marks only. Why? Because here mark should be stored for the marks. So you can see here now, yeah, this is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So depends upon conditions, we will give a background for this one. Okay, or colors. I will start with colors. I'm giving colors for that, depends upon the rendering. So here I will give conditions for this, and I'm applying ng clause here. So ng clause should be in the brackets, and after that I'm giving equal to um, and this style get marks and that mark. So I will copy this, or I will style for this one, and I'm giving this. And if in the brackets, if mark greater less than or equal to 30, return beginner. It should be in single address. So you have to copy and replace this. You have to use the else if, right? So if else if it should be 75, and it should be 100. So enter advance. So here we can take, finally we can take else return. Okay, I have to style this. What is the error here? Mark should be heavy, then it will be run. You can give dot beginner. You can give copy and paste it. Color that, enter color blue, right? Pink. Okay. What are the green? So you can observe the colors what we have in that. Yeah, depends upon the conditions. I have changed all the colors of marks, so you can see, you can style this by class attribute directives. So that is the advantage of this ng class directive. I hope you understand well. If you like, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.